Hello, welcome to Colombian Tours. Here we are by Cartagena. We're trying to drive around here to show you what's going on in Cartagena de Indias, and we're going on today to the neighborhoods that not too many tourists go. The real Cartagena tour. Here we are right now. Check it out. Only on Colombian Tours. Right here from Cartagena today. Cartagena de Indias, Colombia. Check it out. POV. Totally local. Driving here by Cartagena de Indias, we're entering right now Manga. It's a beautiful neighborhood of Cartagena and very residential neighborhood for local people and sometimes people that comes from outside. Many expats live here in Manga because they have many amenities and it's really nearby to the historical center of the city of Cartagena. But also because it is cool to walk. It is very central. It is safe. I'm not gonna say very safe, but it's a relatively safe neighborhood, and well, it's a cool place to come. I'm gonna show you some things that this neighborhood has to offer to all the people of Cartagena de Indias, and this is a nice ride by here. Like, you know, Manga was a neighborhood that was born at the end and the beginning of the 1800s and the beginning of the 1900s. Many of the wealthy people of Cartagena, the wealthy names and the people that brought up, well, they had all the money, started to come over here to Manga to establish over here, and they built really very nice houses and mansions that we can see over here. Hey, Cartagena de Indias is a great wedding destination. So if you are planning to get weather to propose, well, this is one of the best destinations in the Caribbean to do it. You remember, it's just 2 hours and a half away from the United States, so it is great to come over here, and you can come over here just to get wedding here, and this is a great one that is called the Club de Pesca. The Club de Pesca. One of my favorite restaurants of Cartagena is right here, and look at all these beautiful. Let's go over here by the Fuerte del Pastelillo. Check out this location. Perfect location for a perfect party, for a perfect wedding, for a perfect time here in Cartagena de Indias. Here we are at the fort of San Sebastian del Pastelillo, one of the last fortifications that got it, the Caleta, here in the bay within a bay of Cartagena, en la bahía interna de Cartagena. Look at that, that is Boca Grande, and over there, Castillo Grande. The bay within a bay of Cartagena de Indias, Colombia, my country.